Hey guys, it's Alex from Alex. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to my bedroom. Just gonna chit chat with you guys about some work from home life, Keys life, what I've been doing. There's not really much to be doing right now. So stay tuned and we will dive right into this video with some of my key skincare favorites that I've been using during this time because skin is very important to me right now. So I've been focusing on it. Before I apply my skincare, I always cleanse. So I'm gonna use our Knockout Daily Exfoliating Cleanser right here. We're gonna apply a dime-sized amount in the bathroom and then rinse off our face so we can get into this skincare. Now that my skin is prepped and primed and cleansed for some skincare, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with our serum, then moisturizer. So I'm gonna go in with some Deep Sea Collagen Serum right here. And then after this, I'm gonna apply some Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. So as you guys know, we are all working from home, as probably are you. So I've been really focusing on my skincare game, not really doing much. We live in the Keys, which is like the tip of Florida. So it is nice out, like it's super hot already, even though it's just spring. So my little brother has been taking us out on the boat like for the sunset, you know, social distancing with family, just like getting out in the water. There's not really people on the water, so you're definitely away from everyone. I'll show you guys a picture right here. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing. Hanging out in the backyard, you know, like I said, it's super sunny. Let me know if it's sunny where you are and hot where you are. I know it's still super pretty, well, not super cold, but like kind of cold in other places. It's always interesting to see where people are from. I think it's pretty cool. I have lived in Florida most of my life. I grew up in Panama, or not grew up in Panama, sorry. I was born in Panama in Central America, then I moved here when I was 5. But yeah, I lived in Florida the majority of my life, so. If you guys are familiar with my IG stories, my IGTVs, YouTube videos, I always include our Maracuja under eye treatment for the dietier because this works wonders. It instantly brightens, it hydrates, it's infused with maracuja, and my under eyes need it. They're pretty dark when I wake up in the morning, so just apply it with your ring finger to your under eyes. Now for the pout, because no one likes chapped lips. I am a mouth breather at night, so I breathe through my mouth, which means they're usually chapped. So I'm gonna go in with our sister brand, Awake Lip Therapy Lip Mask right here. This will literally do all the work for you. Apply it before you go to bed, leave it on overnight, obviously. It hydrates, gets rid of those chapped lips, which I always had, and this does work for me, literally. Now, since we've all been washing our hands like crazy, I'm gonna go in with a maracuja oil for my hands because they're super dry. I broke my ankle 5 months ago, so I was on crutches for 4 months. So I have calluses on my hands, and now that I'm washing my hands every literally 30 minutes, they're extra dry, so I'm gonna go in with our maracuja oil. I just keep it next to my bed, behind my sink, and I apply it to my hands. That's where I've been, and my calluses are right here. This will keep your hands moisturized, hydrated, not super cracky, because mine are really bad, so. To the hands, because everyone is washing their hands like crazy, which good, because that's good. Now that my skin is super hydrated, super fresh, I am ready to wind down for the day. It's super important if you're working from home to kind of keep your workspace and your home space separated. So I literally have like a small little workspace on my kitchen that I stay at, and then after I finish work, I shut down and like I try and get away from that space. So I've been really focusing on skincare because it kind of takes me out of work even though I'm at home all day. So it's super important. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see anything else, I can take you guys out on the boat, do like a little makeup tutorial for like the boat. maybe during golden hour. That would be fun. Yeah, let me know and I will do it for you guys. Until next time, hasta la próxima vez. Ciao, tartelettes.